TONKEEPER Ton Buy. So basically, here's TONKEEPER app, and basically then you can go to Toncoin. Here you have your Toncoin, and then basically from here you should be able to buy it. So you can receive it as well. But basically, I guess you just need to go to browser, and then from here you can just go and try to find some like MoonPay or something like that, and try to buy yeah, ton from here. So yep. So for example, you can buy a ton from Neo Crypto, for example. So you just send euro and buy a ton, and then yeah, from here that's basically how it works with Apple Pay. So yeah, you just go to a browser and select any app with which you can yeah, buy a ton from here. So there you have it.